Did you know that Netflix users reported an average of 0.07 technical problems per hour? Next was Amazon, Hulu, which were tied, and then followed by Disney and YouTube TV. Big names like 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙇𝙎, Netflix, Airbnb, and Slack are the stars in the product world because they know how to keep their digital services running smoothly and making customers happy. The secret? It's about following a set of 12 rules that will help their product operations grow. In this video, let's discover how these 12 principles or factors can help make your digital service reliable, scalable, and adaptable to massive changes with simple to understand and real life examples. Hi, my name is Anil Jaising. I'm a Chief Product Manager at Concepts and Beyond, a premier technical and coaching services company, and an adjunct faculty at NYU's Graduate School of Project Management. I'm also a certified Scrum trainer with Scrum Alliance. I'm on a mission to help leaders, teams, and organizations drive product innovation and profitable businesses. Subscribe to my channel for stories of innovation fueled by product management, business agility, and DevOps. 𝙎𝙊𝘾𝙄𝘼𝙇𝙎, a cloud provider, ensures that the developer's journey remains smooth. Its deployment process, undeniably one of the strongest strengths, removes a huge weight from the developer's shoulder. Airbnb has become a trusted and beloved platform for travelers around the world. At the same time, its software architecture has allowed it to scale rapidly and efficiently, ensuring that the platform remains stable and reliable even as it grows. Moreover, Airbnb's use of AI and ML has allowed it to deliver personalized experiences to its users, from search results to pricing recommendations. They all rely on 12 factors to make their product operations streamlined. Let's go deeper into these 12 factors. One code base, many deployments. Imagine a chef preparing various dishes for different events, but using the same foundational recipe. That's how your code base works. One master version for all deployments, ensuring consistency and ease of updates. Next up is dependency. Explicitly declare and isolate dependency. Think of this like a mechanic who lists every tool and parts needed before starting a car repair. By declaring all your application's dependencies upfront ensures uniformity across environment. A third one is storing configs in the environment. This is like having different outfits for work, home, and the gym. Your application should adapt to its environment seamlessly with critical configurations stored outside of the usual code base to boost security flexibility. You can install your code base in any kind of environment. The fourth one is backing services. Treat backing services as attached resources. This principle advocates for treating services like databases, servers, any document storage, much like USB drives on different computers. You store it separately. It encourages flexibility and reduces dependencies between services and the code base. The fifth one is build, release, and run. Think of it as a life cycle of a data production. Script writing, dress rehearsal, and opening night. These separations between build, release, and run simplifies updates and rollbacks. Sixth one is execute the application as one or more stateless process. Your application should be like taxis in a city, available on demand, independent, and interchangeable. This ensures your system remains robust and responsive regardless of individual process. The seventh one is port binding. Export services via port binding. Just like allocating mail into different boxes for organization, your services should be accessible through specific ports, keeping interactions clean and standardized. Number 8 is concurrency. Scale out via the process customer. Similar to adding more chefs in a restaurant to serve more customers, your application should scale by multiplying processes, not by enlarging existing ones. Number 9 is disposability. Maximize robustness with fast startup and graceful shutdown. LED lights exemplify this. They turn off and on instantly. Your application should start rapidly and shut down gracefully to handle scaling and update smoothly. Number 10 is dev and prod parity. Keep deployment, staging, and production environments as similar as. It's like an athlete training in conditions that mimic the actual competition. This alignment reduces surprises during deployments and maintains quality. Number 11 is logs. Treat logs as event streams. Consider logs like a store's surveillance system, continuously recording without interrupting daily operation. This approach aids in monitoring and troubleshooting without bogging down your application. And number 12 is run admin management tasks as one-off process. Think of taking your car in for a tune-up, essential to performance but separate from daily driving. This keeps your operational environment clean and your applications running smoothly. By embracing these 12 factors, you'll be on a way to achieve operational excellence, ensuring your product is scalable, adaptable, and above all, reliable. So what's your next step? Download a guide with the 12 factors. The link is in the description below. Hit the like button to share this video and spread the goodness of the 12-factor verse. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the product operations unit. Until next time, keep navigating the high seas of learning, and let's make our products not just good, but extraordinary.